young, dumb, skinny pants, rap game done. My advice, duck down when you see the gods come. Open your mind, recline, watch how divine rhyme. Tired of the lies, they parents should be hog-tied. It ain't where you from, it's where you at, we everywhere. From East New York to LAX, the guards never scared. It's hard work to keep the show on the road. They do whatever for the cheddar, they be selling they soul. They can't move, we keep a foot on their neck. Checkmate, tilt your king like you finished with chess. They challenge the champ and running high when it's time to dance. It's a suicide mission, they don't stand a chance. Strong as the sun if you still take a glance. Might go blind, we outshine the average man. Do this for the culture, they can't understand. We move the crowd mind, they attract the dumbest fans.
We gon' play the punishers, the peons that's running up, acting like we ran in they spot, they wasn't real enough. Back to that Timberland rap, so tie your hoodies up. Who better to have than P with us? What up, bruh? We gon' play the punishers, the peons that's running up, acting like we ran in they spot, they wasn't real enough. Back to that Timberland rap, so tie your hoodies up. Who better to have than P with us? What up, bruh? Just watch how we leave them. You have nothing here, don't know where you got your lead from. March to the king's drum, ruler like Shaka. My warriors don't even speak the language of your partners. Drop them if they try to stop us from getting knowledge. You can keep yours, we focus on getting ours. Cowards like snipers and towers trying to surround us. Never read their faces in places that we get down in. Talking about money is power and buying sour. And put away the pain at least for a few hours. They never allow it if money ain't being showered. Seen about it, get decimated to flowers. Cook like taking powder and making it something solid. So we're protecting gear if you plan on standing around us. The ones that speaking loudest, they turn out to be the cowards. Organizing power if you wonder what the sound is. We gon' play the punishers, the peons that's running up, acting like we ran in they spot, they wasn't real enough. Back to that Timberland rap, so tie your hoodies up. Who better to have than P with us? What up, bruh? We gon' play the punishers, the peons that's running up, acting like we ran in they spot, they wasn't real enough. Back to that Timberland rap, so tie your hoodies up. Who better to have than P with us? What up, bruh?
Ahead of my time. Nah, I'm a late bloomer. My wife wear bikinis, burning dead hate bloomers. Hate fake rumors, I'm waiting to ain't shoot ya. Brain damage to brain bandage, fake tumors. My gun do ya, I won to ya. Then sing it to the store, son doula. Put one through ya, shooters. Come a dime, a dozen duke. I got a dozen dimes, who's losing? You bruising, no rock and roll, but would never regard smack a nigga. They figure he was beating my Bob Sapp. Ready for war, I'm lacing my Timbos. Step out, I get mistaken for Kimbo. Your crew bitch get mistaken for bimbos. Hard to fight back with thrown straight out the window. A rich bitch with the 8 on my waist. I turn her with the money, throw the cake in your face.
We gon'
Keep them squares out your circle, we cutting corners. The D's got warrants on strength of informants. I'ma stick the pin in jewels in these notepads. Pray a rapper break bad, step out of character, thinking he Nazareth's own. Our Greek Zeus without throne. True and living in the position to make it known. We flick ash and bypass protocol, we know it all. Here come the laws like it was 9-3. Partially disturbed by the nerves of these clowns who jot down fiction like they fit the description, won't last around. Your album smell like a dead body in the summer sun divine. Roll another one, cause after this the tape is done. So turn your speakers to 10 and blast the blend. Guarantee the shit thump from the intro to end. Hold this until the album drop, we hip hop baby. Shutter Allen crazy, no ifs, ands, no maybe.